Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss how you remove the ability for the agent to toggle in and out of their skills. A good use case for this is if I want my agent to be ready, all I can do is toggle on and off of Do Not Disturb. I don't want them to have the ability, if they have multiple skills, to sign in and out of certain ones. I don't want them to pick and choose basically which calls to take a call for. So this ability is shown in the admin portal under Admin System, System Settings, Voice Agent, and then Hide Skill Enable. By default, it's set to false, but if you want to disable this option for the agent, you set it to true. That's how it's done. So set it to true, and then click Save, and you're good to go. Now, any agent that signs in to Contact Center Agent Client will not have the ability to sign in and out of their skills, and that'll exclusively be able to be handled by the supervisor themselves via Supervisor View.